Moringa oleifera, known as the tree of life or miracle tree, is a plant native to northern India but has spread to various tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Its leaves, seeds, pods, and roots are widely used in traditional medicine and food. Moringa powder, made from dried and ground leaves, has gained prominence as a superfood packed with health benefits. With an impressive nutritional profile, it is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds that contribute to the body's balance and well-being. Nutritional value of Moringa powder. Moringa powder is considered one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. It contains essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, E, and B-complex vitamins, crucial for eye health, immunity, and as antioxidants. Moringa powder is an excellent source of minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and zinc. Calcium is essential for bone health. Iron prevents anemia, and magnesium contributes to muscle and nerve function. Proteins. Moringa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete source of plant protein. This makes it an excellent option for vegetarians, vegans, and those looking to increase their protein intake. Antioxidants. The plant is rich in antioxidant compounds such as flavonoids, polyphenol, and chlorogenic acid, which help combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Fiber. Moringa powder is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion, promotes satiety, and contributes to intestinal health. Health benefits of Moringa powder. Strengthening the immune system. The high content of vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc in Moringa powder helps strengthen the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections and diseases. Combating anemia. Moringa powder is an excellent source of bioavailable iron, meaning the body can easily absorb it. Regular consumption can help increase hemoglobin levels in the blood, preventing and treating anemia. Blood sugar level control. Studies suggest that Moringa powder may help regulate blood glucose levels, making it an ally in diabetes management. Bioactive compounds like chlorogenic acid help reduce sugar absorption and improve insulin sensitivity. Reducing inflammation. Moringa has anti-inflammatory properties due to isothiocyanates and flavonoids. These compounds help reduce chronic inflammation associated with diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and obesity. Cardiovascular protection. Moringa powder may contribute to heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol. Its antioxidants help prevent cholesterol oxidation, a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Improving digestion. The fiber in Moringa powder helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting digestive health. Moringa's antibacterial properties can help combat infections in the gastrointestinal tract. Increasing energy and reducing fatigue. Moringa powder is a natural source of energy thanks to its high content of B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. It can help combat fatigue and improve physical and mental performance. Promoting skin and hair health. The antioxidants and nutrients in Moringa help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, delaying premature aging. Zinc and vitamin A promote scalp health and strengthen hair strands. Supporting bone health. The calcium and phosphorus in Moringa powder are essential for maintaining bone density and preventing diseases such as osteoporosis. Detoxifying action. Moringa helps eliminate toxins from the body, thanks to its diuretic properties and the presence of antioxidants that aid in liver detoxification. How to consume Moringa powder. Moringa powder is versatile and can be incorporated in various ways into daily meals. Moringa powder is often compared to other superfoods, such as spirulina, matcha, and turmeric. Moringa versus spirulina. Both are rich in proteins and nutrients, but Moringa contains more vitamins and minerals, such as calcium and iron. Spirulina, on the other hand, is richer in chlorophyll and essential fatty acids. Moringa versus matcha. Matcha is known for its high antioxidant and caffeine content, which provide energy and focus. Moringa, while caffeine-free, offers a broader range of nutrients and anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa versus turmeric. Turmeric is famous for its curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory effects. Moringa, in turn, offers a unique combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, along with antimicrobial properties. Testimonials and personal experiences, many people around the world share inspiring stories about the benefits of Moringa powder in their lives. Maria, 45 years old, Brazil. I started using Moringa powder to control my blood pressure and was amazed by the results. Besides normalizing my pressure, I felt more energetic and my skin became healthier. John, 30 years old, United States. As an athlete, I always look for natural ways to improve my post-workout recovery. Moringa powder has become an essential supplement in my diet, helping to reduce muscle soreness and increase my endurance. Amina, 28 years old, India. I use Moringa powder in my tea every morning. I noticed a significant improvement in my digestion and hair health. Plus, I feel more energetic throughout the day. The future of Moringa. With the growing interest in functional and sustainable foods, Moringa is gaining global attention. Researchers continue to explore its properties and applications, from medicine to the food and cosmetics industries. Additionally, sustainable farming initiatives are helping rural communities improve their quality of life and preserve the environment. Moringa is not just a superfood of the present. It is also at the center of research and innovations that promise to revolutionize various sectors. Let's explore how science and technology are expanding the potential of this incredible plant. 1. Moringa in modern medicine. Modern medicine is increasingly interested in the bioactive compounds of Moringa for the development of new treatments. Researchers are studying its effects on conditions such as cancer. Preliminary studies suggest that the isothiocyanates present in Moringa may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death. Research is focused on breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Neurodegenerative diseases. The antioxidants in Moringa, such as quercetin and camphorol, are being investigated for their neuroprotective potential, which may help prevent or slow the progression of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Diabetes and obesity. In addition to controlling blood glucose levels, Moringa is being studied for its potential to regulate lipid metabolism and reduce insulin resistance. 2. Moringa in functional nutrition. The food industry is incorporating Moringa powder into innovative products. Granola bars and snacks. Foods enriched with Moringa offer a convenient and healthy option for consuming essential nutrients. Functional beverages. Juices, teas, and smoothies with Moringa are gaining popularity as energetic and nutritious alternatives. Capsule supplements. For those seeking convenience, Moringa powder capsules provide a concentrated way to obtain its benefits. 3. Moringa in cosmetology. The cosmetics industry is leveraging the properties of Moringa to develop innovative beauty products. Anti-aging creams. The antioxidants in Moringa help reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and skin blemishes. Shampoos and conditioners. Moringa extract strengthens hair, prevents hair loss, and promotes healthy growth. Soaps and body oils. Moringa-based products help hydrate and revitalize the skin, as well as combat skin infections. For Moringa in sustainable agriculture. Moringa is being used creatively in agriculture, such as natural fertilizer. Moringa leaves and seeds are rich in nutrients. These nutrients can be used to enrich the soil and improve crop productivity. Animal feed. Moringa powder is added to animal feed to improve their health and increase milk and egg production. Reforestation. Moringa is a fast-growing and resilient plant, ideal for reforestation projects and recovering degraded areas. 5. Moringa in water purification. Moringa's ability to purify water is being applied in underprivileged communities and sustainability projects. Juices and smoothies. Add a teaspoon of Moringa powder to fruit juices, smoothies, or shakes to boost nutritional value. Soups and broths. Mix Moringa powder into soups, broths, or sauces to enrich flavor and nutrients. Yogurts and cereals. Sprinkle Moringa powder over yogurts, cereals, or granola. Teas and infusions. Prepare Moringa tea by mixing the powder in hot water or add it to other infusions. Baking recipes. Incorporate Moringa powder into recipes for cakes, breads, pancakes, and cookies. Final considerations. Moringa powder is a superfood that offers a wide range of health benefits, from strengthening the immune system to promoting cardiovascular and digestive health. Its richness in nutrients and bioactive compounds makes it a valuable ally for those seeking a healthy and balanced diet. However, it is important to remember that Moringa consumption should be done in moderation and as part of a varied and balanced diet. Additionally, pregnant women, nursing mothers, and individuals with specific medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before including Moringa powder in their routine. With its numerous benefits and culinary versatility, Moringa powder is an excellent addition to the diet of those looking to invest in health and well-being in a natural and sustainable way. Support for mental and cognitive health. Moringa powder is rich in antioxidants and nutrients that can benefit brain health. Vitamin E and vitamin C help protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Magnesium and B vitamins present in Moringa contribute to the production of neurotransmitters, improving mood, concentration, and memory. Aid in weight loss. Moringa powder can be an ally in weight loss due to its high fiber content and low calorie count. The fiber promotes satiety, reducing hunger and helping to control food intake. Moringa has thermogenic properties, which can speed up metabolism and increase fat burning. Combating oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the body's ability to neutralize them. The antioxidants present in Moringa powder, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, help combat oxidative stress, protecting cells and promoting overall health. Improvement of eye health. Vitamin A, abundantly present in Moringa powder, is essential for eye health. It helps prevent conditions such as night blindness and macular degeneration, as well as protecting the cornea and improving vision. The antioxidants in Moringa also help reduce the risk of cataracts and other age-related eye diseases. Muscle strengthening and post-workout recovery. Moringa powder is an excellent source of proteins and essential amino acids, which are fundamental for building and repairing muscles. Magnesium and potassium help prevent cramps and improve muscle recovery after intense physical exercise. Support for hormonal health. Moringa contains compounds that can help balance hormone levels in the body. It may be beneficial for women in menopause, helping to reduce symptoms such as hot flashes, insomnia, and mood swings. Moringa can assist in regulating the thyroid, contributing to metabolism and energy. Antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Studies show that Moringa powder has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which can help combat infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Reduction of blood pressure. Moringa powder contains bioactive compounds, such as isothiocyanates, that help relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. Support for kidney health. Moringa has diuretic properties, which help eliminate toxins and excess fluids from the body, promoting kidney health. Its antioxidants help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Combating malnutrition. In regions where malnutrition is a serious problem, Moringa powder has been used as an effective nutritional supplement. Its high nutrient density helps combat vitamin and mineral deficiencies, especially in children and pregnant women. To make the most of the benefits of Moringa powder, it is important to choose a high-quality product and store it properly. Here are some tips. Choice. Opt for organic Moringa powder from a reliable source to ensure it is free from contaminants and pesticides. Storage. Keep Moringa powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. This helps preserve its nutrients and properties. Validity. Check the expiration date and consume Moringa powder within the recommended time frame to ensure its effectiveness. Moringa powder is a true gift from nature, offering a unique combination of nutrients and health benefits. Whether to strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, control blood sugar, or promote skin and hair health, this superfood is a valuable addition to the diet. By incorporating Moringa powder into your routine, you'll be investing in a more natural and sustainable lifestyle, making the most of the resources that nature has to offer. The popularity of Moringa powder is not only due to tradition or marketing, but also to a solid scientific basis. Studies on the effects of Moringa on health. Antioxidant properties. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology demonstrated that Moringa leaf extract has significant antioxidant activity, even surpassing vitamin C and vitamin E in some tests. Glycemic control research published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition showed that consuming Moringa powder can reduce blood glucose levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. The bioactive compounds in Moringa help improve insulin sensitivity. Anti-inflammatory effects. A study conducted at the University of Medical Sciences in Lahore, Pakistan, revealed that Moringa extract has anti-inflammatory properties comparable to medications like indomethacin. This suggests that Moringa may be a natural alternative for treating inflammatory conditions. Cardiovascular protection research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology indicates that Moringa can reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels while increasing HDL cholesterol. This is due to the presence of beta-sitosterol, a compound that inhibits cholesterol absorption. Antimicrobial action studies conducted in India and Africa have shown that Moringa extract has antibacterial activity against pathogens such as Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. This reinforces its traditional use in treating infections and wounds. Bone health benefits. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition showed that supplementation with Moringa powder can increase bone density in laboratory animals, suggesting its potential to prevent osteoporosis in humans. In addition to its health benefits, Moringa powder has a variety of practical applications ranging from nutrition to beauty and agriculture. Child nutrition. In developing countries, Moringa powder has been used to combat child malnutrition. Its high concentration of nutrients, especially proteins, vitamins, and minerals, helps meet the nutritional needs of at-risk children. Natural beauty. Moringa powder is a popular ingredient in facial masks, scrubs, and homemade hair treatments. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help revitalize the skin, reduce acne, and strengthen hair. Moringa facial mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Apply to the face for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Hair treatment. Add 1 tablespoon of Moringa powder to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Massage into the scalp and leave for 30 minutes before washing. Sustainable agriculture. Moringa is a hardy, fast-growing plant that can be cultivated in poor soils and adverse climatic conditions. Its leaves and seeds are used as natural fertilizers and animal supplements, promoting sustainable agriculture. Water purification. Moringa seeds contain proteins that have coagulating properties, capable of removing impurities and bacteria from water. In rural communities, the seeds are used to purify water naturally and affordably. Comparison with other superfoods.